She stood on the edge of the event horizon, the point of no return where even light cannot escape. Here, gravity is so intense that time itself begins to warp and stretch. To an outside observer watching from a distance, she appeared to slow down and eventually stop, frozen forever like a photograph at the mouth of the abyss. But for her, the experience was terrifyingly different. As she crossed the threshold, the laws of physics as we know them collapsed. In her final seconds, due to extreme time dilation, she saw the entire future history of the universe flash before her eyes, witnessing the death of every star and the end of time itself in a single blinding heartbeat.